Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Voice typing on the Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on General Management. You will see General Management is here, so click on General Management. Now here scroll down and click on Keyboard. So after click on Keyboard, you will see Google Voice Typing is here. So if you want to use, so if you want to turn off, so turn off this button. So if you want to turn on, so turn on this button. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use Google Voice typing on the Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.